Scarlett Johansson is back in business with the Marvel Cinematic Universe as the Black Widow star is attached to Thunderbolt. Johansson played Natasha Romanoff aka Black Widow from 2010 to 2021. Natasha died in a tearless sacrificing an Avenger, adding him being vital to the heroes defeating the Thanos. Johansson's latest MCU project was 2021 Black Widow, a prequel movie that finally honored Black Widow MCU timeline with a solo entry, serving as what seems to be the end of the partnership between the star and Marvel Studios. An official press release from Disney has revealed that Scarlett Johansson is an executive producer of Marvel Studios' Thunderbolts. This development comes after a previous confirmation that the actress was set to serve as a producer alongside Kevin Feige on an MCU project. Johansson was not fond of the Black Widow movie having been released in the theaters and on Disney Plus Premier Access at the same time, which led to a lawsuit but ultimately seems to be not have impacted the star's relationship with Marvel. In 2021 at the 35th annual American Cinematic, which Scarlett Johansson received, Marvel Studios president Kevin Feige confirmed that the actress would continue involved with the MCU even if she did not appear as Natasha Romanoff. At the time, Feige confirmed that the actress would continue involved with the MCU even if she not appear as Black Widow. Now it seems like 2025 Thunderbolt is the project in question, even though rumors started circulating about a Johansson produced MCU series being in development. Johansson return to the MCU is a part of a growing trend. Chris Evans and Robert Downey Jr. had previously departed the franchise, recently returning as different characters, the Human Torch and Doctor Doom respectively. As Johansson continues to branch out, I am excited that she is choosing to remain involved with the MCU even in some form. It is good that we are getting connection between Scarlett Johansson and the MCU going forward, as her producer role in the Thunderbolt keep her in the franchise.